So what's new in BTC land? Oh, having a look at the weekly time frame right now. And guys, I must say I'm very, 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 very grateful and appreciative of all of the responses and all of the boosts from last week's post that I made for BTC attacking the 63 to 65k region. And this is the candle that has met that region. And the reason why I anticipated a run on buy stops was for the mere fact that we've seen on a weekly time frame that sell stops has been purged. We've got relative equal we've got relative equal highs there. We've got another form of short-term high there. We've got the long-term high there, which is at all-time highs, right? Which is at 73,777. If you're looking at it from the Binance chart. So I did believe that the most what we could do was at least run up into this order block. I mean, this fair value gap. I got this 63 to 65,000 region from this fair value gap here, and we got that. Not only did we get that, but we broke the upper displacement and the highs of the candle that created the fair value gap, which is at 63.6. No, yeah, 63. Oh my god, 67,298 and 81.81. And I do believe, I'll be honest with you guys, I do believe 69,089.42 is an extra on liquidity if we continue this run to the upside. So before I go ahead and say these relative equal highs need to be tagged, right, the first point of interest would be the 67,612 and relative equal highs at 71,979, 71,997. These relative equal highs, I do have my eyes on. This is on the weekly time frame, guys. I have my eyes on 979, 997. So 71,979 is my next draw in liquidity from a weekly standpoint. Bearing in mind that we've seen sell stop run on. And I do believe a lot of people are still thinking that BTC are going to continue short, including myself. But I do believe 71,979 is the draw in liquidity for the week. But before we get there, I'm looking at the last up close candle before we saw the shift in market structure. BTC is rough, guys. I'm not the best when it comes down to analyzing BTC. I'll be honest with you guys. But I really do try every single day, every single week. And as I say in my bio, just don't stop. So the 67,612 region is where I've got my eyes on for where price action could reach up into going into next week. But the overall target would be the 71,979. All right, now having a look at it from a daily perspective, you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So hold on. Sell stops ran on. All right, bearing in mind that we started Monday very strong, short-term retracement. Friday, massive bullish engulfing, taking out 1, 2, 3 days worth of trading. All right, and this area on the daily was a previous area of it was the last down closed candle before we saw new highs, not new highs, but new highs from this relative price structure print, which was there. We obviously never got the highs printed there, but we continued to the upside and we respected this area, not only when we created the lower high before the shift in market structure, but on the upside. So this is a very important price point going into the future. And this is the reason why I've still got this mapped out here as we speak. But if we get a continued rally to the upside, I'm going to quickly Okay. So yeah, BTC, I'd like to see how Sunday and Monday opens, but I'm having a look at 69089 and yeah, guys, it's very, 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 very tricky. 67386, first point of interest, which would be the daily highs, and 69089 would be the final endpoint. No, 71979 would be the weekly draw on liquidity. But in order to give me the confirmation that we're going to get up to this region, I'd like to see the 66758 region be respected and held as a support for those who know about support and resistance before we continue to the upside. 69.089 is the second point of interest. 71.979 is the third point of interest. So I'm gonna have a look at the hourly time frame, and we've just been rallying upwards for this week. I mean, we're currently in the weekend, so this is weekend's price action. So it's very subtle, and yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Peace.